Understanding Tesla's rear-view camera issue. The Tesla rear-view camera is pivotal for safety, but issues can arise unexpectedly. Drivers have reported glitches ranging from frozen images to no feed at all. This problem can lead to dangerous situations, especially during parking or reversing. Diagnosing the issue typically requires professional expertise and tools. Models vary in camera quality and technology, which can impact reliability. Common fixes include software updates, wiring checks, and hardware replacements. Feedback is mixed, with some praising rapid fixes, while others feel frustrated. Knowing your vehicle's specifics can aid in understanding potential problems. Expert consultation can clarify problems and guide preventative steps. Participating in manufacturer workshops can deepen your understanding of vehicle tech. Utilizing the Tesla app helps monitor vehicle performance and alerts. Software updates are essential to maintain camera functionality and performance. A fully functioning rear-view camera enhances driving safety and convenience. Complex wiring can be a root cause of camera issues, requiring thorough examination. High demand for Tesla repairs highlights the importance of proactive maintenance. Technicians play a crucial role in ensuring the vehicle's safety features are operational. Awareness of symptoms can help you address issues before they escalate. Routine inspections can catch potential camera issues early on. Dashboard alerts are crucial in notifying drivers when a camera issue arises. After addressing the issue, customers often feel safer and more confident driving. Keeping the camera lens clean is vital for optimal performance. As Tesla's popularity rises, so do the common issues reported by users. User familiarity with settings can prevent misunderstandings about camera features. Seeing results helps to appreciate the impact of repairs on vehicle safety. Understanding technology's role enhances the appreciation for these vital features. Dedicated service teams ensure that customers receive quality repairs and maintenance. Successful repairs can restore confidence in your vehicle's safety systems. Sharing experiences can help others navigate similar issues with their vehicles. Reaching out to customer support for assistance is always a smart move. A well-functioning rear-view camera brings peace of mind for every journey.